हेलो फ्रेंड, तो आज हम लोग एलिवेटर्स के इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि सेमेस्टर एग्ज़ाम में डिप्लोमा के बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो कि रिपीटेडली पूछे गए हैं। तो चलिए इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। एलिवेटर्स, व्हाई डीसी सीरीज मोटर इज यूज्ड इन क्रेन, एक्सप्लेन इट। द क्रेन is a machine in which used for lifting or lowering a heavy loads by ropes and pulleys. For this application, high starting torque is required. High starting torque is required. In a DC series motor, the field winding and the armature winding are connected in series with each other. In DC series motor, the field winding and the armature winding are connected in series with each other, which cause flux produced is directly proportional to the armature current. Also, torque is directly proportional to the square of the armature current. Thus, more current is drawn then the more torque is produced to lift any heavy load. That is, torque T directly proportional to phi I square. What is elevator? Explain its types. Elevators, such type of a vertical transportation device which is used for transporting people or goods from one floor to another floor is called elevator or lift. In mines for transportation of worker, type of elevator according to service: passenger elevator, sidewalk elevator, combination elevator, freight elevator. According to service, low speed elevator, medium speed elevator, high speed elevator. Describe the different type of elevator machine. Elevator machine. The assembly of a motor drum, pulley and breaker is called elevator machine. Types of elevator machine: drum type elevator machine, traction type elevator machine, drum type elevator machine. This type of elevator machine is mainly consist of drum, which is in form of a spool on the drum. End of the rope are attached for moving purpose. Construction preparation. What factors should be considered while selection of elevator? There are the following factors should be considered while selecting the elevator: quantity of the elevators, minimum waiting period, loading and unloading time, speed of the elevator, number of elevator system, capacity of each elevator, quality of elevator, comfortable acceleration to avoid jerk, provision for lighting and fans, AC, interior design of the car, visual floor indication, easy to control. What is an electric drive? What are its advantages? Electric drive, such type of mechanical device which is designed to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy and provide electrical control of the process is called electric drive. Example: DC motor, AC motor, servo motor, etc. Such type of system which control the motion of electric machine is called electric drive. Block diagram: advantage and disadvantage. Simple construction, pollution free, less maintenance cost, less starting time, long life. Disadvantage: high initial cost, poor dynamic response, low output power, noise pollution, without power supply it can't operate it. Right difference between electric drive and mechanical drive. Why electrical drive is preferred over mechanical drive? Explain electric drive and mechanical drive. Electric drive is dependent of electric supply. Mechanical drive not dependent on electric supply. More clean, less clean. More flexible layout, less flexible layout. Maintenance cost is less due to less number of mechanical parts. Maintenance cost is more due to more number of mechanical parts. Electric braking system is more superior and economic. Mechanical braking system is less economical and superior. Why DC series motor is used for? Why DC series motor not started at no load condition? Or explain electrical characteristics of DC series motor. DC series motor is not started at no load condition motor because at no load condition speed of a DC motor is very high due to less flux produced by the motor. Explain electrical characteristics of DC series motor. Case 1: before magnetic saturation, after magnetic saturation. SBT 2004, 11, 12, 19. What are the different Running characteristic of disease is motor and explain its running characteristic of disease is motor. State 5 advantage of electrical braking over mechanical braking. Compare mechanical braking and electrical braking. Advantage of electrical braking: fast and cheap, no maintenance cost required, does not does not form during braking period, heat is produced at convenient place which is not harmful for system. By using electrical braking, capacity of the system can be increased. Disadvantage: can't be used for hold the machine after coming to the race. High initial cost, additional complication, failure of supply make the method inefficient. In case of downhills during braking, motor work as generator. Very very important. 2003, 4, 5, 7, 8. Electrical braking is smooth are no jerk and shock. Mechanical braking is hard. There are jerk and shock. In electrical braking, in return energy is possible. In mechanical braking, return energy is not possible. Less maintenance cost, dust is not formed due to more maintenance cost, metal dust is formed due to electric system. Produce heat may cause failure to brakes. Due to produce heat may cause failure to brakes. May not cause due to produce heat may not cause failure to brake. Explain rheostatic braking applied to DC motor. With neat and clean diagram, explain the plugging methods applied for DC series motor. First, plugging, reverse current braking. Plugging in case of DC motor, DC series motor. Regenerative braking. In this method of braking, motor is not disconnected from the supply and it is work as a generator. The regenerator action can be achieved by the following method: by reducing the applied voltage, by increasing the field excitation if load overhauls the motor. Regenerative braking for DC series motor. What is the difference between rheostatic braking and plugging? Explain it. SPT to 15, 14, 10, 5. In this method of braking, supply of armature is disconnected and then reverse connected. In this method of braking, supply of armature is disconnected and then connected across external rheostat. It also called reverse current braking, also called reverse dynamic braking. During braking period, machine work as motor. During braking period, machine work as generator. Retardation of machine is higher. It is the simplest method of electrical braking. Retardation of this machine is small. It is the complex method of electrical braking. Due to external rheostat is required. Discuss the advantage of using ball bearing for an induction motor. Bearing are used any machine. Bearing are used in any machine to support the rotating parts of the machine and also provide smooth rotation. Type of bearing: roller bearing, bus bearing, roller bearing. This type of bearing shaft are supported by balls or roller which are movable. This type of bearing are used up to the 75 kilowatt second 10 HP motor due to the following advantage: less friction losses, less maintenance costs, long life. SPT 2019. Required less space for installation, allow less air gap between stator rotor of an induction motor. Bus bearing: in this type of bearing, rotating shaft is supported by bearing component is usually fixed to the frame of a machine. This type of bearing made of a bronze and have self lubricating property. Advantage: reduction is non-level. Discuss the different types of drives required for transmission of power from driving machine to the load. Mechanical power, direct drives, indirect drives. Mechanical power available at the motor shaft has to be transmitted into the drive machine by following drive: direct drive, indirect drive. Direct drive. In this type of direct drive, the shaft of the motor is directly connected to the driven machine by solid or flexible coupling. In direct drivers, a flat wheel drive. In this drive, the two pulleys are fixed on the shaft of a main motor and driven machine. Also, these pulleys are connected through belt by transferring the mechanical power V-wheel drive. This type of drive is similar to the flat wheel drives, which is used for high-speed motor of rotating up to 450 kilowatt. Rope drive. In this drive, a number of rope drive. In this drive, a number of ropes are run in the V grooves over a pulley to transmit the mechanical power. Chain drive. In this drive, chain is used to transmit the mechanical power. It has smooth operation, less noise slip, low tension. Gear drive. Modern time used for high speed motor by gearbox. State the factor that contribute to mechanical vibration and noise. Noise level. It is very important to keep the noise level to as low as possible so that the fatigue to the worker may be avoided. For domestic hospitals and theatre, the motor use must be noiseless. Noise is produced due to the mechanical feature of the motor, wearing, vibration, poor foundation, rotating part of the motor. Thus, by improving this, noise level can be reduced. What are the reasons for load equalization in electric drives? 2019. Explain what you understand by continuous, short time, intermediate rating of electric machine. Define continuous duty, short time duty, and periodic intermediate duty.